Hello. Excited na mo?
Yes.
Alright.
Rush putik.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes. Hindi ko matag dagat, no? Dagat.
Welcome aboard. Uli na ta? Uli na ta?
Uli na ko.
Okay. Okay ba? We're here at jump off area.
Very good.
Save energy ba?
Oh, we're about to enter the grassland area. Yes.
Hello.
Good luck, guys. Careful lang ha. Slowly but surely.
Diba? Ano siya? Introduction sa downhill ni mo. First downhill.
First downhill ni mo.
Achievement unlocked.
Achievement unlocked.
Oh, diba? Oh, pwede na
Thank you, Pao. Wow, grape. Basic.
I want to do.
Hi. Let's go.
Ayos.
Apoy. Ay, sus.
Wala sila kabay.
Oh. Tara. Kaya kayo.
We are in the resting place and then today we're gonna go to the Viper. Okay.
So, going na sa Viper Peak. Okay? Hi.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys today.
Hello,
Good morning.
mate. Good morning.
Yeah.
I'm Brogart from Davao City.
I'm Louis from Davao City.
We're in the forest.
There's one big creature right there.
Yeah.
Let's go close. Let's go close.
Let's come close. Be careful. Be careful.
It's a very, very dangerous creature.
Yeah. It's very wild. It's a carnivores. Carnivore dinosaur.
The creature.
He's a creature. At the first time, we caught a very dangerous creature. Yeah. But
Oh no, there's another endangered species.
there's a monkey. There's a monkey. It's a very specific monkey.
Kangkong.
Different,
This is
different
Kangkong.
type of monkey.
Yeah. Oh no. Very crazy monkey. Very crazy monkey.
Okay. Mukha na mamataan. So, welcome to Antag Falls. Ay, Antag. Oh, Antag Falls 4.
Ah.
Muna yung pagkaon, guys.
Oh. Okay kayo.
Oh.
Nakwento nila tayo nangyari na mo.
Sino na?
Ano kung wabak sa wani ka?
Oh, naka-video na mo. Sige, game. Woo! Woo! Ang isa. Kuya! Ikaw na to. Ala, sige. Nagkamot yung saan.
Tara! Tara! May kapad ang tato.
Asa may mura pa na?
Hold you the night. I know mommy's not here right now. And if you ask one mockingbird, I'ma give you the world.
Manag yun.